Oh, secret, secret, secret. No, I miss a secret. I can't buy it. Can't buy enemies. Yep. I, I don't know.
What? Playing? No.
Yeah.
Oke, sabuknya mana?
But I gotta go to this.
Yeah. I don't know. Bro, I can't play Armed Wars. That game, it's so bad. I'm playing this game. It's better than Ant Wars, even if it's like kind of good, to be honest. What do you mean, okay? Nido Tower. Yeah. What are you playing? What are you playing? Wanna play Ant Wars? I'm bored. Yeah. By the way, I'm Leaf Kingdom. It's already dead. Yeah. Is Asset good? Really good or just good? What is the best combo? What is the best combo? Combo. Okay.
Them go up.
Oh, thank you. My brother bought coral pet.
Non si sa per aspetta, io sto dando. Magari.
Still doing? Killed one. I'm a Leaf Kingdom. No, I think so. I'm a miner. I'm a miner. Who's that? Hah?
Gambarnya masih oke.
Mau lihat nge-lag.
Mana?
Nanti aja. Sabar. Kamu tau gak lag spike?
Itu
No,
internetnya doang kali.
tuh. Tuh kan?
Ini kan lagi rame.
Enggak.
Ini lagi rame.
Ya udah aku jauh-jauh aja.
Ya, coba kalau tempat sepi.
Tuh. Ya. Hmm. Tuh. I know, right?
Bohong itu nggak apa-apa. Nggak ganggu.
Ya, game tembakan. Game tembakan gimana? Lag spike tiba-tiba diam mati langsung.
Gimana?
Kalau di game tembakan.
Kumpulin duit.
Maksudnya kumpulin duit.
Nabung. Kontribusi.
I'm talking to my dad, man. I'm a major. I'm a major. With acid. I'm grabbing some larvae. Have you joined yet? I'm grabbing some larvae. Okay. We are currently losing right now because our queen has more like lower health than the enemies. Concrete clan. Yeah. I'm coming from behind. Get out. Super majors attacking. Uh huh. No, no. Larva first. Okay. Kill one. Killed one. Kill one. Kill one. Kill one. Come on, kill. There we go. Got one. I won. We won. We won. We won the attack. No, we won the attack. I'm using acid right now. By the way, if you kill people, will it get bigger? If you kill people, do you get bigger? Nice. So I got 3 DNAs. That means I killed 3 people. Larvae. God. The better. So I did 11 damage. Attacking!